Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy topic: how to view deleted Safari history on your iPhone in 2025. Whether you accidentally cleared your browsing data or need to recover important links for work or school, this guide will walk you through the steps quickly and easily. By 2025, Apple has made some updates to iOS privacy features, but don't worry, I'll show you the most reliable methods without any tech jargon. First things first, let's talk about why this might be tricky. Safari history is designed to be private, so once it's deleted, it's not always recoverable. But if you have iCloud backups enabled, you might be in luck. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on your Apple ID at the top, then select iCloud and go to Manage Storage. Here, you can check if you have any recent backups that include your Safari data. Next, if you find a backup, head to iCloud Backup and tap Backup Now, if needed, or restore from an existing one. Remember, restoring will overwrite your current data, so make sure to back up anything important first. For a quicker method, try using the Recently Closed Tabs feature in Safari. Just open Safari, tap the tabs icon, and look for any recently closed sessions. It might show traces of your deleted history. If that doesn't work, another option is to use third-party apps from the App Store, like data recovery tools. Search for apps that specialize in iPhone data recovery, but be cautious, always read reviews and ensure they're from trusted developers to avoid security risks. In 2025, Apple might have introduced new tools in the settings under Safari, greater than Advanced, for history recovery, so keep an eye out for that. One important tip: prevent this in the future by regularly exporting your Safari history to your files. Go to Safari settings and enable autofill and passwords backups if available. There you have it. Simple steps to get back your deleted history. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.